Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And it just occurred to me I have never done a video of this rig. And so I thought, well, you know what, it's a pretty nice sunny day here today. I'm going to go ahead and do it. This is the 2009 Freightliner M2. It's got a IMT 7200 series. Oh, I think it's about a 40-foot probably, combination knuckle boom and extending boom with a steel cable on the end up there. And I just set it up there just so you can see that it works and everything else. But I want to show you the whole truck. It's got the dual air horns up there, as I say. It's an 09. So those of you keeping score at home, that rings a bell, doesn't it? Because an 09 does not have def. What a treat. Hey, look at here. So that is an extended cab. Even better yet, it's got the little window on the side there for a driver to be able to see what's going on. And I'm getting ahead of myself a little bit, but I do want to show you that it's just storage area in the back. There's no back seating back there, but such a nice truck. So it's got a big heavy-duty box on it. It's got all kinds of toolboxes. There's Pro Box down there. I guess that little board is supposed to be underneath that leg. Those of you that actually know how to use a crane, you probably already know that. This little switch right here, on, off, on, off. That's a remote control for that light right there. That's pretty cool. I kind of like that. And of course you got storage. You got storage for signs, and that one there goes all the way through, if I remember correctly. Let's see here. Which way does it go? That way, I guess. More storage. More storage. Oh, look. It's got a torch tank set up. Put your torches right here. Run it right there. Run your gauges right out that side right there. So that's kind of nice. It's a nice old mechanic's truck. I like this truck. This thing has done a good job. Big old Freightliner. You can haul a lot of weight with that girl. Tires on it are really, really good. This is air lines and apparently oil lines. Apparently at one time it may have had a oil filter system on it, but it still has, I believe it still has the air compressor built into it. We'll double check that and make sure. Nice little storage area right there. It's got the tie downs on the side. They added some more boxes here. All kinds of stuff, Protex. So these are stainless steel, so you know there's not going to be anything wrong with them. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. The truck is solid. It's got more Protex on there, more Protex there. It's got a cage up there if you want to put some ladders and stuff on there. It's got the outriggers that come out right there. It's got controls on this side and that side. And this little oil spot, you're going to see it on both sides because that lever right there has gotten really tight. So I think it just needs to be oiled up a little bit. That's the lever for the crane, or I'm sorry, for the winch. And the winch does operate. It goes down perfectly. It's a little slow going up, but I think it's just because it's not moving the lever far enough. And same thing, I sprayed penetrating oil there. You can see it drip down, so that's not a leak on the truck. I want you to make sure you understand that. Super nice little rig right here. As they say, it is a crew cab. It's a clean, clean, clean little truck. Front tires on it are really good also. Everything on this truck is pretty straight. Good looking truck. And that's what it looks like, guys. There's no real surprises here. It's got some kind of special Sears seating in it, and that's not just on the driver's side, that's on the passenger side as well. It's the exact same seat sitting right over there. This has even got adjustable armrests on it, and you can adjust the height and whatnot right there. It's got them on both sides of the seat, on both seats. Ooh, the air conditioning feels good. So the air blows cold. There's your controls right down there showing you what all you got. There's a what looks like it's probably aftermarket brake control, air brakes, switches for all of the air compressors and the PTOs, and these are probably for the strobe lights. Guess I didn't really pay much attention. Let's take a look. Hamper. Yep, okay. Yep. So it's got a lot of nice little lighting on it. It's got a couple of lights on the back, work lights that you can adjust with a switch. She's got showing 206,000 miles on it. Hardly anything on this truck. This thing will go forever. I can't really tell you what that thing is. I don't know if it's I don't know. Have to look that up, guys. JMAR Technology, RAC+1. Don't know what that is. Clean, straight. Got all the right stuff on it right there. So make sure you look at the pictures. Make sure you look at the data on the website, because that'll have all of the rest of the pictures, all the rest of the information. It'll have VIN numbers. It'll have the whole 9 yards on it for you. I just wanted you to know. I tell you what. That little red knob right there means that it's plumbed in for the trailer brakes as well. You got your manual right there. Kind of a nice little option. If you don't have that already, it's kind of expensive to add that. Stainless steel fuel tank, looks like a 50-gallon. I'll tell you what, starts, runs, drives, it's just a nice little truck. If you can use that little crane right there, there's all your strobe lights going. If you can use that crane right there, that's an IMT 7200 series. I have a direct link on my website to the specs from the manufacturer. That's a 2009 Freightliner M2. That's running the Cummins 6.7 Allison automatic. Nice piece is ready here. If you need a crane truck, if you need to be able to do any work and anything, there it is right there, guys. That'll do what you need it to do. Give me a call. HD Trucks and Equipment right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. And as always, I appreciate you looking.